Good day, everyone. Today we are going to share 4 ways of answering bar exam questions. Just a disclaimer, I do not claim to be an expert in this field, but all the discussions here are based on my experiences as a bar candidate and from lectures on bar methods and techniques that I have attended. So, kung may basihan ako ng mga tinuturo ko. I'm going to share these methods kasi effective naman siya, and as a result, I passed bar last year. So I'm going to share these methods para at least makatulong man lang sa mga katulad kong na nangarap na maging abogado. So, let's go! Kailangan mo ipakita na kaya mong i-resolve yung mga issues na pat mo dun sa question. And lastly, how you present your answers. We'll focus on that, presentation of your answers. There are several types of bar exam questions. The past years, kita na naman natin doon sa mga nire-release naman yan ng Supreme Court, yung mga question enumeration, may distinction, may definition, may mga tanong gustong ipa-explain sa'yo ang rationale behind the law. And lastly, case problem. Magfo-focus tayo dito sa case problems. Dalawang facts na kailangan nyo ma-realize when you're answering the bar exam. First, the examiners have only a limited time to check your answers. Ang dami nyo. I think the average number of examinees would be 8,000 per year. So, do them a favor and provide concise but complete answers. Okay? Okay. Ito na. Here are the methods of answering the bar exam. First, the 4-paragraph rule. Ito yung alak or alak. First, you provide the answer, then the legal basis, then the application of the law, the given facts, and your conclusion. Sanay na sanay tayong gamitin all throughout law school. Same with the 3-paragraph rule. Two-paragraph rule and 1-paragraph rule. Medyo nagamit yan more recently. Lalo noong for the past 10 years, makikita nyo na ang dami ng mga items na nilalagay sa bar exam questions. Umabot ng 20 yung main questions with sub-questions. Tawag namin dati nung nanganganak yung tanong. So, let's go. Let's see how these questions are applied based on a single or specific question. First, ito yung sample question natin. Joshua was born blind. He went to a school for the blind and learned to read in Braille. He is fluent in English and Filipino. May he act as a witness to a will? Explain. So 4-paragraph rule, you would answer like this. No, Joshua may not act as a witness in a will. That's your answer. Then you will provide a legal basis. Under the Civil Code, those who are blind, deaf, or dumb may not act as a witness to a will. Yun. Yun yung inyong legal basis, and apply it to the facts of the case. Here, Joshua is blind. And your conclusion. Hence, he may not act as a witness to a will. Yun, alam na natin kung paano gamitin yan. Just go. For the past 4 years, yan ang ginamit nyo sa law school as a template for answering questions, be it midterms, finals, to prepare you for answering the bar. Take note, the 4-paragraph rule for me, ito pa rin yung default method mo for answering the bar exam. Bakit? Kasi dito mo mapapakita, mas madali mo mapapakita dito yung logical reasoning mo. Dito mo may papakita sa examiner kung paano ka logical yung argument based dun sa facts and dun sa appreciation mo dun sa law. So let's go to the next. The 3-paragraph rule. Tinanggal lang dito yung conclusion. So, ang conclusion mo mapupunta sa unahan. So, there, no, Joshua may not act as a witness in a will. Under the Civil Code, those who are blind, deaf, and dumb may not act as a witness to a will. Here, Joshua is blind and disqualified by law to be a witness to a will. Mas concise siya. And hindi mas sacrifice yung presentation ng answer mo. Specifically, in the appreciation of the facts and the understanding and knowledge of the law. Here, the 2-paragraph rule. Dito sa 2-paragraph rule, conclusion na kaagad yung papakita mo sa una. Tsaka yung reason bakit yun yung sagot mo. So, first part ng unang paragraph is yung answer mo. And then, second part is bakit yun yung answer mo. Here, makikita natin, ang sagot natin is no, Joshua may not act as a witness in a will because he is disqualified by law. So there, concise. Binigay mo yung sagot mo at binigay mo yung dahilan. Ang kagandahan ng ganitong method is unang paragraph pa lang, alam na ng examiner kung saan papunta yung reasoning. Alam na niya na alam mo yung sagot. Second paragraph, ito mo ipapakita yung logical reasoning mo tsaka legal knowledge. Pakita mo lang kung ano yung basis ng iyong sagot. Under the Civil Code, those who are blind, deaf, or dumb may not act as witnesses to a will. Here, Joshua is blind and therefore disqualified to be a witness in a will. Yeah, personally, I use this method nung kumuha ko na exam, but I have to emphasize na ginamit ko lang itong method na to dun sa mga part na alam ko na yung sagot. I mean, slam dunk na alam ko yung sagot. Next, 1-paragraph rule na uso to last year kasi the instruction was to provide straightforward answers. Dahil napakarami namin last year. So here, he will answer, no, under the Civil Code, those who are blind, deaf, or dumb may not act as a witness to a will. Here, Joshua is blind and therefore disqualified to be a witness to a will. So there, kompleto, isang paragraph. However, I have to highlight the point na gagamitin mo lang to pag alam mo yung sagot and pag gahol ka na sa oras, pwede mo siyang gamitin. I know yung mga kaibigan ako nung 2019 bar exam, ganito na yung ginawa, 1 paragraph. Pumasa naman sila. Ibig sabihin, Effective siya. Lalo noong 2019, 40 items per subject. So, there. Let's discuss when to use these rules. Yung 4 paragraph and 3 paragraph rule, still use it as your default methods. Kasi ito na yung nakasanayan mo for the past several years sa law school. Dito ka pa rin, ito pa rin yung sandigan mo. Yung 4 at 3 paragraph rule. Use when you have doubts or kung clueless ka about sa answer mo. So, may ginagawa kami dati nung law school na kapag hindi mo alam ang sagot, gandahan mo na lang ang sulat. Hindi na siya effective ngayon since typewritten or laptop na yung gamit sa pagsagot na exam. So, use the 4 paragraph or 3 paragraph method para mapakita mo pa rin sa examiner na you have a good grasp of the language, you have logical reasoning, and you have enough legal knowledge para i-resolve yung mga issues sa tanong. Again, I have to emphasize, use this as your default option. Let's move on. Dun sa 2 paragraph and 1 paragraph rule or method, use this when you encounter an exam with over 40 items. Time management na to. Kailangan mo matapos ang exam, kailangan mo sagutan lahat. Hindi ka pwede mag-iwan ng blanco. So, make sure na kaya mong sumagot ng tanong na isang paragraph lang or 2 paragraph lang. Use this if you are pressed with time. Use this when you are at least 90% sure about your answer. Dapat slam dunk. Slam dunk yung answer mo. Alam mo na yung sagot. As in, inaral mo. And you have to present it well. In a concise manner. In 2 or 1 paragraph at least. Again, I have to emphasize, use it with caution. Use this, at least the 2 paragraph method and the 1 paragraph method with caution. Use it with caution. Dapat practice mo and practice using it as a means of answering questions for the bar exam. And again, gagamitin mo lang siya pag alam mo yung sagot. And kung wala kang choice and you are so pressed with time. So here, you have the methods of answering the exam, the 4 paragraph method, the ALAC, the OG method of answering the bar, 3 paragraph rule, conclusion, legal basis, and application. And then the 2 paragraph rule. Here's where you present your answer in the first paragraph. In the first paragraph here, you present your answer and the reason why you gave that answer. Then, second paragraph, legal basis. First paragraph, answer and legal basis. And there you go. And at this point, medyo medyo you will feel the pressure na by this time. Pero kapit lang, kaya yan mga kapatid. Good luck, God bless. See you soon.